like I said, the platform will come up with a timeline which you can import. And once that is done, you just have it as part of your timeline. I mean, the timeline is the crux part of it. I mean, I can probably do a sample schedule. Yeah. So let me probably open up this task, and this has a project ID of 1.1.1.2. So you extend it, so it just goes like everything. So it's date driven. I mean, it's different types, SS, FF, or anything,
Yeah.
however you want it. So that's handled because that's one major thing which every project manager looks for, and we got the need. And then the resource loading matrix in terms of how every user is uh, is loaded up as part of the project plan is also something which the product will take care of.